Hello friends, today we'll be discussing a very common skin condition called as vitiligo. It is often ignored due to social taboo or embarrassment. It is a skin condition in which pigment producing cells are destroyed by one's own body, leading to formation of white patches. So coming to the causes of vitiligo. It is an autoimmune condition, that means antibodies are produced against the pigment producing cells in the skin, leading to formation of white patches. There is loss of color in the skin. It is also associated with diabetes, thyroid diseases and systemic lupus erythematosus. Other triggering factors are emotional trauma, psychological trauma and physical trauma. Also, excessive sun exposure can lead to vitiligo. Exposure to certain chemicals has been implicated in the cause of vitiligo. Vitiligo is hereditary, but it does not necessarily mean that all the children of the vitiligo patient will have the disease. It is a myth that certain foods can cause vitiligo. Also, vitiligo is not contagious. It does not spread by touch. So, what are the precautions to be followed by the vitiligo patient? Patient has to wear loose fitting cotton clothes, reduce exposure to sunlight, always wear a sunscreen. It's a very common question asked by all of my patients. Can vitiligo be cured? Yes, vitiligo can be cured if the patient visits the dermatologist at an early stage and has a proper follow-up with the doctor. There are multiple treatment modalities available now which are aimed at pigment producing and also to decrease the spread of the disease. The commonest are the oral Soralins and the creams prescribed by the doctors to be taken at home. There are narrowband UVB therapy units available with the dermatologist doctors, excimer laser therapy, micropigmentation to cover the white patches, and the vitiligo surgery. There are multiple types of vitiligo surgeries available depending on the area to be covered and stage of the disease. In vitiligo surgery, the vitiligo patch is resurfaced with patient's own skin from the normal area. Also, another option is melanocyte transfer, in which pigment producing cells are transferred into the vitiligo area. So friends, in today's era, there are multiple treatment options available for the vitiligo treatment. It is no more a social taboo. Do not hesitate to visit your board certified dermatologist. Visit your doctor now.